I want to show you that beautiful city of Los Angeles. It's like 13 to 15 million people living over here, but I'm truck driver, so I'm not visiting the downtown. This is kind of most beautiful place I can show you. Yeah, boring. After a long day driving, I'm finally here. Look, Los Angeles. And there is a spring coming. It's middle of February, and there is beautiful flowers. Look at this. Spring is here. So finally, over here, there was enough ice this year and bad weather. Winter was long, especially for us drivers. We was putting chains 10 times this winter, but winter is still not done. Look at this, Los Angeles. Finally warm climate city. While I was recording this, I find some beautiful truck. Look at this, Peterbilt. So nice and shiny. And expensive. Look at this, it's a border from Arizona and California. This site worth of money. Big nothing, but still pretty. hi to everyone from Oregon. I'm on my way back to Canada and I can feel it because temperature dropped close to zero. It's strong wind. Only hot stuff I can find is Mexican food. That can warm me up. So goodbye until next site. This is a good picture. If you see picture is shaking, that's just my hand. It's very cold outside. Back to my truck. So after deep freezing outside, finally here. Look at this food. And can you believe this? I buy that on the street for, I'm not sure, $9 or something like that. Bon appetit. See ya.